Guys, good morning. Welcome to my world, and this is Twinsies. As you can see, there's so much snow outside our house, and yeah, too much snow. And we already tried to take the snow away yesterday. You see, we tried, and yesterday we had a problem to park our car inside the garage, and now it's time to go out. Anyway, I am supposed to meet up my best friend and also the godmother of Stephanie, but we're not able to do it. So I am really waiting for the tractor to come here, and oops, it's crazy slippery, and try to take away the snow. So we'll see. Even here in the neighbor outside, you see, they almost can see the car, and they have a problem to park the car too. And they tried to take away the snow. You see, only the road is opening, and all the snow is thrown in our side and unbiased there, because they have to move the car away so that the tractor can. Yeah. So they're trying to take away to move the car, because the tractor is on the way, the bulldozer is on the way to bulldoze away also the snow here, and especially in our garage. You see guys, it's really full of snow. It's like, if I have this, I will be, you see how, oops, it's crazy slippery guys. I have to be careful, I don't wanna fall. You see how deep it is here on the top, but down here it's really up to the knees. Oh my gosh, I don't want to break a leg. See how deep the snow, guys. You see how deep the snow. If I have these shoes, and also it's like up to the knees. And we tried to yesterday tried to take away the snow and put it in the side here. You see how much snow again we have. So we really need the help of a bulldozer or the tractor, and I'm waiting. So, but it already gave a message that it's on the way, so we need to wait. That's all, that's it. And yeah, oh my gosh, how shall I do it? I'm so tired of scraping the snow out from the stairs, and you see how much it is. So much snow. It's crazy slippery. And look at our terrace. You see it? Yes. Nah. You see how much snow in our terrace. We need to take it away, guys, or else, it's dangerous. It can fall and pour our car. And Anba is asking me to
Your turn a little bit.
okay.
Whee! Ikke ta så mye om gangen, Grace.
Hard. Yeah, trying slowly. Although it's not so heavy.
No.
But this is really like, after you're done, you will never get done. You will never be done with this snow, because it's coming again and again. But the most important is to have space in this area.
Sånn. Skal jeg ta resten eller ta litt?
Hæ?
Jeg kan ta også.
Litt ned her.
Jeg gjør jeg. Nå har jeg tatt nok film.
Ikke enda. Okay. So guys, we change. We have to do it slowly. Ganyan lang guys ha. Kakastart ko lang. Hapong-hapo na. Sige. Okay. And by you to take it easy. So this is what we're doing. You see, guys, it feels like never ending. It's like forever. You'll never get rid of snow once it's keep on falling. Grabe. So let's just wait for the tractor. You see, but ano ba? It's like nothing. Eh, sir, ingenting for the health leak. Dahil bari narheten. Wala, guys. You see, kanina pa kami pala ng pala para wala kang napala talaga. Kasi same pa rin, oh. Babalik yan.
Oh, giddy.
Anbai's tired. Get rid of the snow because we can't go out. The car is stuck inside the garage and it's too much snow. You see, we tried our best yesterday and now it's the same. Kaya ito yung dahilan. I'm busy.
3 hours later.
Now it's doing the review, guys. Taking away the snow from our garage. Finally. But to come back. It will come back, I think.
I hope.
Oh yeah. Careful, ah. Oops. Jag ska stå utanför garagen.
In the garage.
Yeah. Ooh.
Come on.
Oh yes, yes sir. Then. And it's back. This is what we've been waiting anyway. And we can go out. I was talking because one car on the other side is not being moved. So, like, yeah, it's really bad because it's supposed to be taking away all the snow from the side of our house. But since one car wasn't moved, so they wasn't able to do so. You see how slippery it is without the thing to protect the... Oh yeah. And yes, we can drive it. Let's go back to see it. The snow from the side, but it's still snowing, not in. You don't see it much, maybe because it's very light now. Yeah, men dari Kenda. Nah, men har udah dupa di Kenda, fordi den är ju väldigt tjock. Man ska ju trappa in till. So that's the only one thing that we've been waiting. And then it's done. You see how thick the windows are. Bulldoze and one more and then we're done. All the snow is into the area of Sulbay. Ska bara vänta att den är färdig så där vi färdig med videon min. Dahil ba niya pwede po? At wala pa din no? So, nakabisura. One last try. Earlier is like very thin, now it's thick. Mas ano na buldos. But anyway, we're happy we can drive after this. We can drive after when it's done. Because we cannot go out, guys, unless. But anyway, it's very nice. Now, another one more try. Bulldog. Yung snow, ang dami. Ayan, lalim ng mga katambak na snow. Nag-snow na naman siya. Skin sobra. Ang dami na naman ano. Lakas ng snow ngayon. And one last, I think. But anyway, guys, it's done in our area. We can't take this much now because it's not enough space. And yes, that's what we only need. Something to that our can pass. So thank you so much for watching. Bye everyone. Drive safely. Bye.
1 hour later.
Ayan guys, tapos na. We have been waiting for this. Now we're going. Finally. Dun 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 dun.
Uh-oh.
Ayan o. Hindi kasi tinanggal ang car.
The next day.
Oh my goodness! Lubog-lubog na kami sa snow. Daming snow, guys. Ang aming hagdan hindi na maano.
Oh no.
Hala, agabundok na. You can't make snowman with that. Yeah, try. Anba will take away the snow. Go, 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 Stephanie, move. Move. Faster.